Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a brand new versatile 7 feet wide by 14 foot long trailer. Nice entry-level trailer, but high quality. This one's sitting on a 3,500 pound axle. It's got stake pockets all the way around, as you can see here. All LED lights. It's got a nice sidewall, so if you want to fill it in with some wood to pull some gravel or something, lawnmowers, side-by-sides, ATV, motorcycles, you name it, it can handle it. All steel, heavy-duty construction, all LED running lights. If we walk around it, it's got some options. It's got a plate here in case you want to mount a spare tire mount, you can. It's got the place to hold a change. Continue walking around this side, you can see more stake pockets. They even put the safety tape for dot on it. On the back, it's a ramp gate. As you can see, it's got a beveled edge on it, heavy-duty springs. You can see that are heavy-duty springs. So to go lift it, I just pick it up one finger, I lift it up, and you put the latch in it. There's latches on both sides. We get this trailer in all kinds of sizes. This one has to be a 7x14. So if you have questions about this trailer or another trailer, reach out to us, dayspringtrailers.com, or call us at 503-666-7300. Also, they have a bunch of other colors in this that you can get as well. Thanks for looking. Have a wonderful day.